everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will illustrate and traverse the street art of the land known as the land down under and the land of opportunity, Australia. So be a part of this creative imagination coming alive from the streets of Australia to my canvas, painting and stories behind street art Australia. Friends, it's been a long time now we are doing this world tour series and we have traveled through many countries, different places, culture, their people, lives, and of course this is through virtually the eyes of art from Imagination Gallery. When it's world tour series, we can never pass over Australia, of course. It is globally famous for its natural wonders, wide open spaces, beaches, desert, the bush, and the outback, and of course the street arts. So when it comes to Australia, wandering through hidden streets and lone ways is the best way to discover the character, charm and culture of Australia's capital cities. From colourful graffiti to bustling city bars, above and below ground are well worth exploring. So my depiction today is a remix with Melbourne, Victoria street art. Let's explore. So Melbourne was a major city in which stencil art was embraced at an early stage, earning it with the title of stencil capital of the world. The adoption of stencil art also increased public awareness of the concept of street art there. The first stencil festival in the world was held in Melbourne only in 2004 and featured the work of many major international artists. Galleries in the city centre and inner suburbs now exhibit street art. Prominent Melbourne street artists were featured in that space. Invaders, a 2010 exhibition of street art held at the National Gallery of Australia in Canberra. Hozier Lane is Melbourne's most famous loneway for street art. However, there are many other loneways in the inner city that exhibit street art. Melbourne is the capital of Victoria and the second largest city in Australia. Has gained international acclaim for its diverse range of street art and associated subcultures. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, much of the city's disaffected youth were influenced by the graffiti of New York City, which subsequently became popular in Melbourne's inner suburb and along with suburban railways and tram lines. The primary areas in which street art is most densely located there includes Abbotsford, East Brunswick, Carlton and Carlton North, Collingwood, Melbourne City Centre, Prahran, Richmond, St Kilda and many more. Melbourne is renowned as one of the world's street art capitals, and residents are encouraged there to participate in creative expressions. Hozier and Rutledge Lanes and Centre Place are among the most colourful spots, creating some of the city's best open-air galleries. Join a street art tour to discover hidden treasures of the beaten track. The rest of the state is following Melbourne's artistic lead with the development of 200 kilometers, that's 124-mile Silo Art Trail. You will see towering works created by internationally recognized street artists. Starting in the Grampians, the road trip will take you through 6 of the region's smallest towns, which now make up one of the country's biggest outdoor art galleries. Visit quaint towns, boutique shop and cafes of Australia's Wheatbelt along with the way. Victoria Street is one of 8 murals painted on the railway pylons at Woolloomooloo, celebrating the history and people of the suburb. It tells the story of residents' fight to save Victoria Street from developers, ultimately a battle they did not win. A close look at the mural reveals fascinating details of the residents' resistance, from the vital support of the NSW Builders Labourers Federation to the last-ditch protest of resident squatters, who spent 17 hours perched on the chimneys of 115 Victoria Street before they were arrested and taken away. Although Victoria Street was lost, the story of its residents' brave battle lives on in proud local memory and in this commemorative artwork. Australia is globally famous for its natural wonders, wide open space, beaches, desert, the bush, and the outback. Australia is one of the world's most highly urbanized countries. It's well known for its attractive megacities such as Disney, Melbourne, Brisbane, and Perth. It is a sovereign country comprising the mainland of the Australian continent, the island of Tasmania, and numerous smaller islands. Australia has over 1 lakh Aboriginal rock art sites, and traditional designs, patterns, and stories infuse contemporary Indigenous Australian art. The national and state galleries maintain collections of local and international art. Australia has one of the world's highest attendees of art galleries and museums per head of population. As one of the oldest forms of human expression, street art has gone throughout many phases since its first usage began. From different locations to different techniques, styles, and contents, still, the purpose stayed the same. From the ancient drawings to the very day, street art has been used as an independent and autonomous medium for spreading one's opinion and commenting on one's surrounding. Street art in Australia is not only an important part of urban Australian culture, but also a serious commercial business and a part of government urban planning in metropolitan areas. They have also recognized the important social benefits the artwork can bring, and that the street art movement has helped to democratize art appreciation in Australia. There's a certain number of people that will enter galleries and really enjoy the artwork, but street art allows everybody to enjoy the artwork. hope you liked today's expedition to Australia, street arts and more. Transmit your thoughts, feedback or any suggestion about our drawing session here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different illustrations and paintings and stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here is wishing you an amazing week ahead. Stay safe and take care. Bye for now.